Hey there, Todd with Industrial Comfort. So last week, my lovely wife asked me if I'd make her a spoon rest for the kitchen. Of course I obliged. I had an extra piece of maple laying around, and I came up with this. Now, the only parameters I was given was that it should be a rectangle. Now, I crush geometry. I don't know about you, but this looks like a rectangle to me. Needless to say, my wife didn't like it. So this is going to end up being a pretty nice housewarming gift for somebody. So here's where I need your help. I need you guys to watch the video and comment as to whether you like it or don't like it. You're not going to hurt my feelings if you don't, but I'm interested to see how people feel. Show you how I got this done. I added about 7 coats of Woodturner's finish to give it this high shine. I then went ahead and added these anti-slip tabs on the back corners, not to prevent the spoon rest from slipping, but to keep it elevated from moisture that may be on the counter. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and please don't forget to give me a comment as to whether you like it or not. Thanks.